You want to swap crypto, but you don't have a wallet? We have a solution. Let's check step by step how to open a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet is a place where you store your crypto. LetsExchange doesn't store your assets, but you store them in your crypto wallet. When you swap one crypto for another, you receive the swapped coins to your wallet. We recommend that you choose one of our trusted wallets. Open the widget, click on the widget menu. Click on the Trusted Wallets option, and you will see the list of wallets recommended by LetsExchange. Before you select a wallet, check if it supports the crypto assets you want to swap and the blockchains that you need. After that, follow the instructions of the wallet. Quick safety check. Keep your seed phrase offline and backed up. Enable two-factor authentication. Beware of phishing. Update your apps. Use a hardware wallet for large sums. And always verify the address. LetsExchange doesn't store your funds. We never ask you for your seed phrase, passwords, or other confidential information. Keep control over your funds and swap safely.